And here we are. Thomas likes to do things. And he likes to go anywhere. He travels in a mountain.
Good reading, Aiden.
And Thomas likes to do that. Thomas loves fun. He just sings going. There's a thing there. I just go in the mountain. We, Thomas and Percy, Gordon, and Harold, they're gonna go with the family. We're almost here. Thomas likes to do things. Things can be wrong. Friends, you can fix it. And here's Thomas, the only one Thomas who can do. Thomas is nice. He did it. Now he did it. Now he can do things now. The end.
Good job, Aiden.